I admire the Mapuche culture. They live in the region of Arauco and live between Chile and Argentina. Lately, there is a lot of talk about their confrontations with the police for imposing to put the power of the state over their lands. This last time, many Mapuches died be shot from the police, carabineros. So I hope they can't solve all their problems and the Mapuches live in peace.